Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be giving you my weather news for the week of 11/1/20. Hope you guys did have a great Halloween last night and last night. Hope you guys did have a great extra hour of sleep. Yes, that's right. Extra hour of sleep. Go ahead and change your clocks if you haven't 1 hour back as daylight saving time end. Today's video, I'm basically going to give you a rundown on all the biggest weather stories for this week and right now going on across the country and across the world because of yes, Typhoon Gani is a big typhoon. I'll give you more details coming up, but let's get started on what we're going to be talking about. So, Tropical Depression 29 to become hurricane and make impacts on Central America. And who is still without power from Zeta and Oklahoma ice storm? Because we have a lot of people. Huge Typhoon Gani to make landfall on Philippines. And your forecast is coming up. But we start with our biggest story in the world right now in weather. Typhoon Gani landfall on the Philippines in the next few days. One of the strongest typhoons in history. So as you can see, it's going to make landfall in central Philippines here. The exact timing is still pending, so give you that information when we can. But expected to make landfall here in the central part of the Philippines over the next few days. So we're still getting information on this, but we'll keep you updated. This is kind of out of our viewing area of where I usually talk about weather, but we just wanted to tell you about this right now. But we talked about Depression 29 to become hurricane. As you can see, it's going to make impacts on Central America. So as you can see, Central America is going to be impacted. So as you can see, right now it is just a tropical depression, but in the next few hours today, it's going to be turning into a tropical storm and staying like that until 2 a.m. Monday. Then by 2 p.m. Monday, actually 2 p.m. Monday, it's going to be turning into a hurricane. And then by 24 hours later, 2 p.m. Tuesday, it's going to be making landfall on Central America. And then make impacts on, as you can see, this coast right here, and then it kind of fades off, and as it goes to Central America, like inside of Central America, it turns into a tropical storm, and then it goes off to a depression. So that is a forecast for that. Now let's get to our next story here. Power outages. So as you can see, this is our latest power outage map here, as you can see. So Oklahoma is one of the red states. Over 100,000 outages still going on because of the Oklahoma ice storm we had. Louisiana, Alabama still have no power because of Zeta, one of the biggest states. Mississippi has more power, but still most of them don't have power. Georgia, and then we go up to North Carolina, South Carolina. They have about 10,000 to 50,000 outages, a little bit less than the other states, but that is still going on. But yeah, that is the latest power outages if you're watching this on 11/1/2020. Let's go ahead and take a look at our next story here. So this is the forecast. So highs today. As you can see, we're having a big cool down coming in from Canada here across the northwestern United States, kind of the midwestern area. As you can see, this is a big cool down. It's not a huge cool down in temperatures like what we've seen before, but it's a little bit colder than all the other United States. 50 degrees, 48 for parts of Indiana. And as you can see, not super cold, but pretty cold temperatures. 63 for OKC, 68 for Amarillo. And as you can see, one of our warmest areas is still Phoenix, Arizona is 93 degrees. Let's go and take a look at our lows tonight as we start to wrap up today's video. As you can see, much colder. We're going to have really cold temperatures. Look at here in the northern U.S., 25 degrees in Wisconsin, 28 for the Twin Cities. As you see, lots of temperatures. We kind of warm back up as we go more south, but still very cold. 64 is one of the highest temperatures. Actually, 75 here in Miami. But otherwise, big majority of the United States is very cold as we go into tonight's forecast. Lastly, here we look at the rain chances for today. As you see, not much people at all are going to see that much rain, except for the northeast. They're kind of seeing some rainfall, especially Maine. You're kind of getting a little bit more heavier rainfall than anyone else. And then as you go into parts of the more southern northeast of the United States, we're kind of seeing a little bit less rainfall, a little bit less hard of rain, but still getting some showers. So make sure to bring your umbrella if you live there. But anywhere else in the U.S., besides for some sprinkles we might seeing here in these areas, we're pretty much going to be dry for today. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. Comment down below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe fast for accurate forecasts. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!